Hey mamas, balancing financial support for Asian parents while raising kids is tough. So today I'm sharing 9 common mistakes to avoid. Hey, I'm Marika, mama of 2 with a master's in accounting, an enrolled agent, and a future chartered financial consultant. I'm also a mama money coach. So balancing financial support for Asian parents while also raising your own kids is a huge challenge. So I've seen many common pitfalls that families encounter. And here are the 9 things you didn't know you shouldn't do when planning financial support for your Asian parents. So without a detailed budget, unexpected expenses can derail your finances. So include all medical, living, and personal care costs for your parents. So for example, you want to track expenses such as prescriptions, medications, home modifications, and caregiver fees to ensure nothing is overlooked. So there are various programs available to help with elder care costs. Research and apply for Medicaid, Medicare, and other state-specific aids. For instance, Medicaid can cover long-term care costs, while Medicare can help with medical expenses. So make sure your parents have adequate health insurance so it can significantly reduce out-of-pocket medical expenses. Check their current coverage and explore options for supplemental insurance if needed. So long-term care can be incredibly expensive, so look into long-term care insurance or other financing options to prepare for potential future needs. So for example, an assisted living facility can cost thousands per month, so planning ahead is crucial. So don't try to handle everything by yourself, right? Seek help from siblings, other relatives, or even professional financial advisors. So sharing responsibilities can lighten the load and provide different perspectives. So avoid using your retirement funds to pay for your parents' expenses. This can jeopardize your own financial future. Instead, explore other funding sources like your parents' savings or long-term care insurance. So establish clear boundaries about what expenses you can and cannot cover. So it's essential to balance your own family's needs with your parents' needs. So for example, prioritize covering essential expenses like medical bills over discretionary spending. So ensure that your parents have a will, power of attorney, and other essential legal documents in place. So this protects their assets and ensures their wishes are followed, so with an estate planner if needed. Supporting your parents is important, but don't neglect your own financial stability. So maintain an emergency fund, save for your child's future, and keep your debt under control. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. So by avoiding these mistakes, you can better manage the financial support for your Asian parents without compromising your own financial health. So remember, being proactive and informed is key to navigating this challenging time. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below with your own tips or questions about managing finances for aging parents. So together we can support our families, right, and achieve financial stability for ourselves. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.